just a few days after the flood, something incredible happened. I witnessed something that I've seen before in the past in one of my experiments that I do, but this one blew my mind away. Now, what you see here is basically time-lapse of a single-celled organism in formation and seemingly dancing in some sort of pattern, some sort of feeding pattern, maybe breeding. I'm still yet to find a video that is like this online. I know this is Colpidium colpoda. I've had this in previous videos, but this is my favorite video yet. There's something truly spectacular about how these single-celled organisms are either feeding in a group pattern, descending down, and then floating back up to join each other to then make these patterns and formations. Right now, what you see is normal speed. They move very slowly, and they form these unique cloud-like patterns. I think this is incredible. I didn't know this was going to happen in this Paludarium. Colpidium colpoda live in, I would say, dirtier water. They thrive in sewage water, in dirty canals, city water, and they make their home eating, I would say, feeding on bacteria that is abundant in that sort of water column. Like I said, I've yet to see a video online that has documented this behavior. And I'm always asking, if you're a biologist, you know a little bit more about the subject than I do, please reach out. I still can't find any videos indicating what these things are doing and why they're doing it. But all I know is it makes for an incredible time lapse. So when I come across footage like this by accident, it all makes it worthwhile to me, because to most people, and even to maybe even my wife, and if you weren't paying attention, you just look at that jar and then be like, hey, there's something cloudy. That's weird. It's rotting. Throw it away. But I kind of look and I appreciate there's something in there that is super unique in terms of an animal life that I personally in the past had never known about or thought I'd see in this way. So for myself, I actually created and filmed something that I would have wanted to watch on, let's say, National Geographic, or something that you would have always believed that someone else would film. And it's pretty cool, even if it's just for me, that I think it's pretty cool. There is something special about this dance, and I'm glad I captured it. And because I've actually seen this happen in one of my jars before, I kind of do know that it's very short-lived. They will bloom up like this in the beginning of the, I would say, formation of their environment. they do this eating or breeding dance, and then in a couple of weeks, you know, they'll die off and they'll no longer be around, and the jar will turn into something different without the colpoda. Now, is that because the bacteria died off? Who knows? But I do know that they are very rare and they don't hang around too long. So I was really glad that they showed their faces once again and entertained me with their dancing. The cool thing is, maybe in the future, if I do another jar, they might come back and, you know, I can have another time-lapse footage of these incredible creatures in the future. But for now, this is all I have of them, and the jar has changed. I'm still going to be editing those videos. But that's good. That's a good thing. I appreciate it while they're here, and I can move on with the next part of the project. Isn't it crazy that one little simple jar of creating a rock moss wall project, how many cool things have happened, and it's one of the reasons why I love this channel and love doing what I do. It's super satisfying knowing that you can find and discover something you've never known or knew about in life before. If you've stuck around this long, I appreciate it, and you know, thank you for watching the video. And sometimes I have serious videos where I really feel the video, and there's also videos that I have fun in. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please, simple as just pushing the like button and subscribing. It's free. It will definitely help the channel, and I appreciate all the love and support. Until the next one, guys, stay safe.